Hi, Anna. I just wanted to talk through your makeup work. So this is what we did in class is we looked at aspects of the beginning reading process, and we kind of reviewed what we had read from Kid Watching. And we also looked at this new continuum, which is on Blackboard. And then what we did is we thought about these different aspects and then what we should look for in terms of development. So so when we're done with letter identification, what are we looking for? And so for this one, what we talked about was, well, we want the kids should know all of the uppercase letters and all of the lowercase letters. So then think about phonological awareness and print awareness, books and book handling. And again, these are chapters in Kid Watching. So just kind of look through, and then you're basically going to summarize just a couple bullet points in each. For reading texts, look at the Bonnie Campbell Hill one, and look at kind of how and you'll see this is a continuum. Look at what they have in terms of reading text and how it kind of progresses along the different developmental areas, and just put some things there in terms of what you think. And again, this is beginning reading process. Just what your thoughts are on that. And then you can email that back to me. So that's that. Now, the running records and miscue analysis was a big part of what we did. And if you haven't done that before, and my guess is you haven't, it's super, super important and super challenging as well. So there's lots of resources for you. Where I would start is with this introduction here. So this is new. I just kind of revised this. And so what the part you should start at is down here. See, it says if you miss class. So you're going to watch these videos, and there's a text called packing. And you probably don't actually need that text. It's actually on my other computer, so I can't upload it today. You can like type it out yourself if you want something to write on while you're watching these videos. And there's the first three, there's more that you can watch too, but I think the first three will be fine, and it'll give you a sense of what we're doing, how we're kind of taking notes, and basically what the whole purpose is to kind of record what a reader does so we can figure out what they know and how to coach them to learn more. So that's the whole point of this. So start here. Then for practice, you're going to do Boring Old Bed and At the Farm. So first what you're going to do is you're going to print out here, which is the actual text that the kid is going to be reading. And you'll have that in front of you with a pencil, and then you'll be marking it while you're watching this video. And then you're going to do At the Farm too. And so again, this is what we did in class. So that will then get you caught up. Then the homework, and I'm going to send another video out about this, but I can just tell you quickly too. So then you're going to kind of deepen your knowledge about running records watching these, and then you're going to do a miscue analysis. Now, in order to figure out what this is, you actually have to have done all the reading up here. Where's our reading? Here. And that'll give you an idea. And again, the miscue analysis is when you take the running record and you take kind of the results, and you look at it kind of the miscues kind of one by one, and you figure out what the reader knew in order to kind of make that particular miscue. So just have a go with that. And if it's very confusing, that's okay. Just kind of do what you can. And then also, because you have a practicum at a school, you're in a really good position to actually get some professional development on this. So talk to your cooperating teacher and ask them about running records and whether they have the Fountas and Pinnell program. And I'm going to put this in your email too. If they do, find out when they're going to do the running records and whether if that fits in when you're going to be there, because then you can learn something from that. My guess is it's probably later in May, but you still can do for your case study a running record on a text that the kid, you can ask your case study to choose a text for you, and then you can do the running record on that as part of your field work. And again, see what makes sense after you've done all this, and we can talk more about that. Okay?